Imagine for a moment a creature of such profound secrecy that it can live its entire life alongside us, yet remain almost completely invisible. It is an animal woven into the very fabric of the wilderness, a whisper in the tall grasses and a fleeting shadow in the moonlit forest. This is the world of the leopard, a master of camouflage and survival, an icon of the wild that has haunted the human imagination for millennia. Its presence is felt more often than it is seen, a silent, watchful predator that embodies the untamed spirit of the natural world. We are drawn to what we cannot easily see, to the mysteries that lie just beyond our reach. The leopard is perhaps nature's greatest enigma. It is a solitary ghost, a hunter that walks alone through the vast landscapes of Africa and Asia. While other great cats may command our attention with their roars or their social dynamics, the leopard commands respect through its sheer elusiveness. To behold a leopard is to witness a masterpiece of evolutionary design, a living sculpture crafted for a life of stealth and power. Its body is a study in fluid dynamics, a long, low-slung frame built of densely packed muscle. It is shorter in the leg than other big cats, perfect for stalking unseen through the undergrowth. Every sinew and fiber is arranged for maximum efficiency, from the powerful shoulders that can haul prey twice its own weight up a tree, to the broad, heavy paws that silence its every footstep. The leopard's coat is its most iconic feature, a breathtaking canvas of golden fawn fur adorned with a pattern of dark, irregular rosettes. This pattern is a marvel of camouflage, breaking up the cat's outline and allowing it to dissolve into the dappled light of the forest floor or the mottled shadows of a rocky outcrop. No two leopards share the same pattern. Each is a unique individual, their coat a personal signature. This coat is more than just beautiful. It is a cloak of invisibility. Beyond its physical form, the leopard possesses senses honed to an extraordinary degree. At night, its vision is thought to be up to 7 times better than our own. Its hearing is equally acute, with ears that can swivel independently to triangulate the faintest rustle of a mouse in the grass. These adaptations combine to create an animal perfectly attuned to its environment, a silent hunter that sees, hears, and moves through a world that is largely hidden from us. While we often speak of the leopard as a single entity, the reality is a rich tapestry of subspecies. Among the most widely recognized is the African leopard, Panthera pardus pardus. This is the most numerous and widespread of all the subspecies found across most of sub-Saharan Africa, thriving in an astonishing variety of habitats. Its coat can vary from a pale yellow in drier regions to a deep, rich gold in forested areas, a perfect example of nature tailoring its design to the local environment. Venturing into Asia, we encounter the magnificent Amur leopard, Panthera pardus orientalis. This is perhaps the rarest big cat on Earth. To endure brutal, snowy winters, the Amur leopard has evolved a much paler, thicker coat, which can grow up to 7 centimeters in length, with larger and more widely spaced rosettes. With a wild population numbering perilously few, each individual is precious, a ghost of the cold northern forests fighting against habitat loss and poaching. In the dense tropical jungles of India and Southeast Asia lives the Indian leopard, a master of the shadows, thriving in lush forests and adapting to live near human settlements. In the arid mountainous regions of the Middle East, we find the Persian leopard, one of the largest subspecies, with a paler, grayish-yellow coat that helps it blend into rocky terrain. Finally, the Sri Lankan leopard, unique to the island, has evolved into a particularly large and confident hunter as the apex predator in its ecosystem, with no tigers or lions to compete with. The leopard's success as a species is rooted in one extraordinary trait: its profound adaptability. No other big cat has conquered such a diverse array of habitats across 2 continents. In the sweltering, humid rainforests of Central Africa and Southeast Asia, the leopard is a creature of the canopy, moving through trees with silent grace. It uses dense foliage as cover to ambush prey on the forest floor, or even to hunt monkeys and birds among the branches, its powerful limbs perfectly suited for this 3-dimensional world. In stark contrast, consider the leopard of the vast African savanna. Here, the landscape is open, a mosaic of grasslands and scattered acacia trees. The leopard's strategy must change. It becomes a master of the ground-level stalk, using tall grasses, gullies, and termite mounds as cover. A leopard will often haul its kill, sometimes far heavier than itself, high into the branches to keep it safe from lions and hyenas. Even the most extreme environments are not beyond the leopard's reach. In the arid deserts of the Kalahari or remote mountains of the Middle East, this cat demonstrates remarkable resilience. In water-scarce regions, leopards obtain moisture from prey blood and flesh, hunt in the cool of night, and rest in shade during the day. In snow-capped mountains, they develop thicker coats and hunt hardy alpine animals, their powerful bodies well suited to navigating steep slopes and rocky cliffs. The leopard is the quintessential stalk and ambush predator, a hunter that relies not on speed over long distances, but on patience, stealth, and explosive power. A hunt begins with absolute silence and intense focus. The leopard will begin a slow, deliberate approach, a process that can take considerable time. It moves with its body held low, placing each paw with meticulous care to avoid snapping a twig or rustling a leaf. Every fold in the landscape, every patch of shadow, every clump of grass is used as cover. The leopard seems to melt into its surroundings. When within striking distance, it explodes from cover. In a blur of speed and power, it closes the distance in seconds, delivering a swift, suffocating bite to the neck. This methodical stalk, followed by explosive action, makes the leopard one of nature's most efficient predators. The leopard's diet is famously varied, another testament to its adaptability. It is an opportunist in the truest sense, capable of taking large prey like antelope and deer. But it's by no means a fussy eater. Its menu can include anything from birds and reptiles to fish and insects, even the occasional baboon or young crocodile. As a top predator, the leopard plays a vital role in maintaining ecosystem health, controlling herbivore populations, and improving genetic fitness of prey species. The leopard is a keystone species. The leopard is an athlete of astonishing versatility. From a standing start, a leopard can leap forward more than 6 meters, allowing it to cross gullies or launch surprise attacks. Even more impressively, it can jump straight up as high as 3 meters. This vertical leap allows it to access tree branches in a single bound, often with heavy prey in its jaws. Its prowess as a climber is legendary. Sharp, retractable claws act like grappling hooks, combined with powerful forelimbs, allowing it to scale sheer trunks with astonishing agility. While cats are often thought to dislike water, the leopard is a surprisingly proficient swimmer, readily entering rivers to hunt, cross territory, or cool off. It moves through water with powerful, steady strokes, its strong body making it a capable swimmer, further expanding its hunting grounds. Whether on land, in the trees, or in the water, the leopard is a master of its physical domain, a true all-terrain animal. The sounds a leopard makes are as distinctive as its appearance. Its most characteristic call is not a roar, but a rough, rasping sound, like a saw cutting through wood. This territorial call can carry long distances, allowing leopards to communicate without direct confrontation. When threatened, it produces guttural coughs, snarls, and growls, but for the most part, it is a creature of profound silence. Its true voice is the quiet rustle of leaves and soft pad of paws, the sounds of a ghost moving through the wild. Despite its remarkable adaptability, the leopard faces a future fraught with peril. The single greatest threat is habitat loss and fragmentation. Across Africa and Asia, human populations are expanding, converting forests, grasslands, and wetlands into agricultural land and settlements. This leads to increased human-leopard conflict. As natural prey becomes scarcer, leopards venture near settlements, sometimes preying on livestock, leading to retaliatory killings. In the face of these threats, a dedicated global community is fighting to secure the leopard's future. Protected areas provide vital sanctuaries with anti-poaching patrols. Conservation science uses advanced techniques like camera trapping and satellite telemetry to study leopard populations and develop effective protection strategies. Addressing human-leopard conflict involves working with local communities to find solutions that benefit both people and wildlife, including predator-proof livestock enclosures. The fight to protect the leopard is collaborative, involving international treaties, government policies, and empowering local communities as stewards of their natural heritage. Every one of us can play a part. We can support conservation organizations, make conscious consumer choices, and choose responsible ecotourism that contributes to local conservation efforts. There is still hope. The leopard is a survivor. If we can secure its habitats, reduce poaching pressures, and learn to share our world, it can recover. The fate of the leopard, this master of stealth and survival, now rests squarely in our hands. Its future will be decided in the choices we make every day. The fight to save this magnificent cat is a fight for something larger, to retain the wildness, beauty, and ecological integrity of our planet. The secret world of the leopard has been revealed to us. Now we must become its guardians. The rasping call of the leopard in the night is a reminder of a world that is ancient and powerful, a world we must not lose.